Nestled on Georgia's southeast coast, just 35 miles from Jacksonville, Florida, you'll find Kingsland, a welcoming suburban town that offers the best of both worlds: coastal tranquility and convenient access to city life. So whether you're heading to work, catching a flight, or exploring the region, you're always just a short drive away. Kingsland is quickly emerging as one of Georgia's most exciting places to live, with top-rated schools, quality healthcare, and endless activities just minutes away. It's a picturesque and affordable destination for families of all ages. Whether you're raising kids, starting fresh, or simply seeking a slower pace, you'll find it here. Hi, I'm Jamie with Ryan Homes. We're thrilled to be a part of Kingsland and the exciting momentum of this growing community. Beyond the town's everyday conveniences, shops, and dining spots, you'll discover fantastic scenic parks and golf courses, including Laurel Island Links, a Davis Love III's signature 18-hole link-style public course with magnificent marsh views. I'm here in the historic downtown of Kingsland, known as the Royal District, a place with stunning architecture, unique shops, eateries, and a lineup of fun-filled events, many of which take place at the Kingsland Station, home to the Georgia Coastal Railway Museum and live performance theater. Accessible only by ferry from nearby St. Mary's, Cumberland Island is Georgia's largest and most secluded barrier island. It's home to wild horses, miles of untouched shoreline, pristine beaches, and dense maritime forests. This rare blend of natural beauty and rich history makes it a truly unique destination. Visitors can explore haunting ruins, tour the elegant plum orchard estate, and hike or bike through scenic trails surrounded by unspoiled wilderness. Nearby, Crooked River State Park is a peaceful retreat surrounded by salt marshes, maritime forests, and scenic river views. With its tranquil setting, the park is a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike who enjoy hiking, kayaking, fishing, and more. Whether you're exploring shaded nature trails or relaxing by the water, Crooked River offers a quiet escape into Georgia's coastal beauty. This area offers more than just places to explore. It's a peaceful, welcoming community and a great place to live. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, it's easy to feel right at home here. Just think of all the incredible experiences you'll have and the good times you'll share with new friends and family. Right here and nearby in Kingsland, Georgia. As one of the top builders nationwide, Ryan Homes is known for its dedication to building a quality home that you'll be proud to call your own. And with everything under one roof, including mortgage, settlement services, production, and warranty, the customer experience is convenient, transparent, and fun. We can't wait to get started here in beautiful Kingsland, Georgia, and we look forward to welcoming you home. See you soon!